Yes, this is it na. Madam, she is cooking for the lunch. This one is the shirt. Okra man good to, okra sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ano daw yan yung ladies finger. Ang liit-liit, it's very small. In the Philippines, that one is long, so I make a title shirt. Wala ka. Oh, that is already with laham yung shape. Mix this one shape karof and bamya yan. They call that one in Iraqi is bamya. That is bamya. Oh, with the white rice. Okay. So that is it. This is it na. Hindi na tayo makapag-pronounce good. Oo, minsan. Oh, this one is for their lunch today and not yet come. What time is it na? It's almost 6 o'clock. Ganito yung ano namin dito. Ganito yung time namin dito pag dinner. Our dinner late. Lunch also late. So always late. Breakfast. Kaya yung dinner ko at saka lunch magkaisa na. Magkaisa na lang, magkaiba naman, magkaisa na, isa na yung ano ko, yung lunch ko at saka dinner, isa na lang yan. At saka yung breakfast ko at saka lunch ko rin magkaisa na lang din. O, ganun na lang. Oo. O, ganun. Kasi ito maglilinis, ano pa ako, mag-washing pa ako. Diba? O yun, white rice. Itong rice na to, yun, para kay Grace. At saka baon din kay Sisi. At saka pag hindi to na, pag naubos to, kaya may konting tira, para kay Sisi with laban also. And this one, I cannot bring this one for the school, for the lunch box of Sisi because it's micro. And she don't like it daw. So here in the house, no problem. They mix sauce, they eat together. So with sauce, rice, white rice with sauce, so it's okay. But sana that's what you notice in my old videos. All is dry food. What I do, and that is what she want. That's why she is eating in the lunch box. Because if you are not, just imagine, even the egg, boiled egg, I make only boiled egg para hindi all is oily already. And she don't want to eat also the yellow one. Kaya she don't want to eat all, half only, because she don't like daw the yellow. Lasam kasi pag ano ko sa lunch box niya yon, without the yellow, i-slice ko, i-remove ko yung ano, yellow. Kaya ganun yun si Sisi. Now that she know na how to complain, she know na how to choose what she wants, so that's it. Ako naman ang mag-adjust na lang. Kasi I want, sometimes them kasi I force them to eat. To make it different and to make it have from his health also. More the health because he is still young. And to make vitamins, especially in the vegetable. And the fruits also, not all fruits, just eat apple, mostly apple only. Apple and cucumber in the vegetable in the salad. So that I can't watch that na. Because she don't want na. That's the new generation na siguro. Because she is big already, not like before. Because if I make blender only, anytime, Ella, drink it, yan, no complain. But now, ako, she is teaching na how, if you want or no, if she want or no. So that's all. Kaya ayan na, binoboiled. With tomato yan, fresh tomato yan ang hinahalo. Slice ni madam yung tomato and then blender. Oh, ayan, binubuo-buo yung garlic, yung tom sa kanila pa yan. Okay. That is ready for the lunch. Thank you again for watching to all of us, to all subscriber, viewers, and